Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Can we pass it in? This is the actual coolant pipes, just came back. As you can see, been welded here, so that will never pop off. The coolant will never, that pipe easily pop off when you're over time, but this is too old, this coolant housing. So, and this one here, the guy had to fix that as well. That was broken inside as well. That was cracked inside there, so he had to make a new one. Provision for the sensor. There's one here, one there, so that's welded as well. 1, 2, 3. So pretty much all up on a 996, 997, GT3 or turbo. They share the same ones. Usually that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sometimes if you think it's crack, looks like it's crack on the corner there, easily on the sensor, just get that welded as well, just in case. Alright, just like that. Okay, so now the only problem I've got now, I'm going to make a new bracket. We're going to make a bracket to fix that one up, because that's already broken. Around here, that way, to hold the whole thing together and weld it here and there. Yeah, just for now. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.